In the FII also we have something called FII derivatives, FII DI derivatives. So FII DI derivatives is nothing but if we look at this market, so FIs, they sell in futures, they sell in options, they sell in call options as well as put options, right? So combining all this data, okay, we have made an indicate kind of indicator thing that who is long and who is short in derivatives, okay, both futures and options combined together. And if we have put client on one side, client means the uh, the retail client in this case, uh, and we have separated and we also combined pro and FII on the another side, their positions on the another side. So pros are, the market makers or the proprietary desks or all those guys come into pro. And then FIIs, okay? So here you can see blue, pro and FII, and purple is client. Now, if the clients are long, then this will go up. And if FIIs are short, this will go down. It's as simple as that. And overall, if you look at this, that the FIIs are always more or less short, more or less. The combined features and options together. Okay, but the trend might differ there within that. So they can go to a bottom and then they can go sideways and then they go up, go down and go up. And sometimes this can coincide with the market trend also. So you will see this kind of activity for in the market. So we have done a detailed video on this on YouTube. You can find it. FII DI analysis. I've done a detailed analysis of this on how to interpret and on how to use this. But basically, it shows you the positions, overall positions of FIIs and clients. So this is net long positions of FII and DI clients. And you can also look at individual futures as well. Okay, this is the data which we have shown in tabular formula. Sorry, so this is futures only. So just loading 1 minute. Okay, for reason. So basically all this data has been listed and who is net long, who is net short, what is the correlation and all those things are listed. So you can go and check it out anytime you get time on this. And this is the tabular formula format for the same data. Who is buying in longs? Who is buying in shorts? What is the change over previous day, for example, here. So all those things you can check and interpret how it can be interpreted has been shown in that video that I'm talking about, which we will leave below that video. So FII, DII, and this is something I think a lot of people look forward to every day. Ki, what has happened? Did FIS sell or did DIS buy? Overall, who's selling more or buying more? Now, this kind of gives an insight into what is the FIS are doing. Now, if you look at the last few days, when the market was going down, the FIS are selling heavily. So this is a net of FII and DII. Okay, FII minus DII. So here you can see when So when the FII sells, okay, the market goes down. When the FII buys, then the market goes up. And this has been the phenomenon in the last, in the December as well as in January. Both times it has happened, right? So, and the same thing, you can look at this on a daily basis, or you can look at on monthly basis what has happened over monthly. So, in last 4 months, the FIs have been selling, okay, and the DII is the net, right? So, this is the FIA only, and this is DIA only. So, DIS have been buying from March 2021, okay. So, and FIs have been buying from April 2022, March 2021. So they're kind of taking opposite positions. And this is weekly. Sorry, monthly. And this is the first time I think it was almost 2021 almost was about to close in negative. But that last week rally saved it. Otherwise, it would have been the first time that in a particular year it would have been gone negative.
But it is still the lowest, isn't it?
This is still the lowest one. The last it has happened was 2011. Okay. So we have to be careful when this kind of lowest values come. And this is running, so we don't know what will happen.
Yeah, so that is only not even 1 month yet.
Yeah,
so it's
not in 1 month. So
current year.
So do your own analysis on how this can be interpreted. I know multiple people interpret in multiple ways. So this is there. So even if you just want to look at the data, like what is happening at FII and DI,
And, on a daily basis, what time does this get updated?
So it's gets updated on 7:30 because sometimes exchange releases at 6:30, 7:30. So we look up every at 6:30 and 7:30. So if
So
it's
the
not
best time
updated
to
at
look
6:30,
at it is after 8 o'clock in the evening.
yeah, it's better like that.
Yeah.